This video deals with problems in the GRE quantitative section. The topics dealt with are line graphs and quartiles. We have this line graph where the red line shows the exports and the blue line shows the imports. And the y-axis is the value in billions of dollars and the x-axis shows the years. For which of the 8 years from 2001 to 2008 did exports exceed imports by more than $5 billion? If you look at 2001, the imports is 2, exports is more than 10. So it is exceeding more in 2001. 2002 it is 3 and the exports is around 13, which is again more than 5 billion. 2003 it is 4 and export is 14, which is again more than $5 billion. 2004, 2005 there is not much of difference, not more than $5 billion. 2006 imports is 6 and exports is 15, so this is more than $5 billion. 2007 imports is 4, exports is 11, again more than $5 billion. 2008 imports is 5 and exports is 12. So again in 2008 it is more than $5 billion. 2009 there is not much difference. So the exports exceeded imports in the years 2001, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Calculate the average of the 9 changes in the value of imports from 2009 to 2000 to 2009 in millions of dollars. We need to calculate the average of the 9 changes in the value of imports. So that would be value in change for the first year would be value in 2001 minus value in 2000 plus value in 2002 minus value in 2001. That would be for the second year. Third year is value in 2003 minus value in 2002. And the last year would be value in 2009 minus value in 2008 divided by 9 because there are 9 changes. Value in 2001 cancels, value in 2002 cancels, again value in 2003 will cancel, value in 2008 will cancel. What is left is value in 2009 minus value in 2000. Value in 2009 would be, we are looking at the imports. So value in 2009 for the imports would be around 9 and the value in 2000 for the imports would be around 3. So that would be 6.2 by 9, which is 0.68 billions. Now we need to calculate it in millions. 1 billion is 10 raised to 3 millions. So 0.68 billion would be 680 millions. In 2008, the value of exports was approximately what % greater than the value of imports? In 2008, coming back to the graph, the value of exports is 12 and the value of imports is 5. So we are comparing the value of exports with the change to the value of imports. We are asked to check that the value of exports was approximately what % greater than the value of imports. So that would be 12 minus 5 by 5 into 100%, which is 140%. So the value of exports was approximately 140% greater than the value of imports. If it were discovered that the value of imports shown for 2007 should have been $5 billion instead of $6 billion, then the average value of imports per year for the 10 years should have been approximately how much less. So let S be the sum of the imports from 2000 to 2009. And we know that 2007, the value of imports was 5 instead of 6. Now the change in average is, first average would be S by 10 because S is the sum. Now the value is reduced by 1, the total. So it would be, the new average would be S minus 1 by 10. So the change in average is S by 10 minus S minus 1 by 10. S by 10 cancels out, you get 1 by 10, which is 0.1 billion. And since we need to know the value in millions, it would be 100 millions. Find the quartiles of the 16 numbers. So first we arrange the numbers in ascending order, which is already done here. There are 16 numbers, so we take the first 8 numbers, which is 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7. The lower quartile is the median of these 8 numbers. That would be the average of the middle 2 numbers, which is 5 plus 7 by 2, that is 6.5. And now we take the next 8 numbers, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. And median of these would again be the average of the middle 2 numbers, that is 8 plus 9 by 2, which is 8.5. So your upper quartile is 8.5 and lower quartile is 6.5.